With a population of over 1.38 billion, India is the world's second largest country. With an estimated 140 billionaires in India, it's safe to say the country has a lot of nice homes, but these are out of this world. The majority of mansions in India display their owners' extravagant lifestyles for all to see. The larger the better. Here's a glimpse into some of the most enthralling and breathtaking luxurious residences that compel us to gaze at their splendor for as long as possible. Or, until security calls us. But before we begin, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel for more intriguing videos like this, and be sure to watch this video to the finish. Also, anytime we upload a new video, you'll get notified, so don't miss out on interesting videos from us. Here are India's most ridiculous mansions. What do you get when you combine a renowned architect and a Bollywood star with an unlimited budget? You get the $27 million luxurious mansion, the Mannat residence of Shah Rukh Khan. Naturally, the king of Bollywood owns one of the most expensive properties in the country. His 6-story sea-facing mansion is brimming with treasures. It features a private gym, a screening room, and an auditorium. It's located in Mumbai's Badri West neighborhood and is also a heritage structure and a must-see tourist attraction. Every day, hundreds of people flock to the house hoping to catch a glimpse of the film star and manufacturer. It features multiple living spaces and, due to its size, is connected via an elevator system. Bollywood's King Khan also has an extensive collection of antiques and other works of art that he keeps separate from his children's playroom. The home features a library for relaxation, a private bar for well-deserved drinking, and an entertainment center that I'm sure is stocked with all of SRK's greatest hits. Including indefinitely another prosperous Indian entrepreneur and another neck-breaking luxury tower, which is Gautam Singhania's Jatia House, which is Mumbai's second tallest structure after the aforementioned Antilla. It's estimated to be worth approximately $81 million. Gautam Singhania lives here with his family, and it's also the same Billionaires row as Antilla's birds of a feather. I suppose the 16,000 square foot South Mumbai paradise has its spa, sports car garage, 2 private swimming pools, and a helipad for getting around town. Anil Ambani's house makes the list because the family is completely crammed into this $50 million 16,000 square foot home that's nearly 70 meters high. It's located in the affluent Pali Hill area of Mumbai. Anil Ambani is the chairman of Reliance Group and the younger sibling of Indian billionaire Mukesh Ambani. Once recognized among the 6th richest people globally by Forbes, the tower includes a helipad and an open swimming pool, a gymnasium, and a luxury car garage. Anil currently resides here with former Bollywood actress Tina Ambani and their 2 sons, Jay Anmol and Jay Anshul. Anil Ambani originally planned to build a structure up to the height of 150 meters. However, construction authorities has approved only up to 66 meters. The plot on which the property is located was once owned by the chairman of Bombay Suburban Electricity Supply, BSES. Well, that company was acquired by Reliance in early 2000. The construction of the property began around the time Antilla had got the finishing touches. The plush residence of Anil Ambani comprises of a total of 17 floors. The brothers bought the property that became one of the most expensive properties in Mumbai, and which Dhirubhai Ambani had referred to as home on several occasions. Every Ambani kid in the family got a separate floor. The structure, which is 66 meters high, makes a prominent mark on the city skyline. Anil Ambani's house interiors have been designed by designers from overseas. The house has sprawling rooms that have been decorated beautifully with high-end sofa sets, recliners, huge glass windows, and attractive ceiling lights. Anil Ambani's lavish house in Mumbai also offers expansive sea views and a beautiful city skyline. The vertical palace, Antilla of Mukesh, costs a whopping $1 billion. This 400,000 square foot luxurious expansive tower is 27 stories tall but reaches the height of a 60-story structure. This is straight out of a Bond film and is enough to make Bollywood blush. Business tycoon Mukesh Ambani is one of the wealthiest men in India. He lives there with his wife Nida, and he's ensured that Nida and their 3 children will be safe in this fortress of lavishness, which is built to withstand earthquakes. The sky was the limit when it came to constructing this jaw-dropping structure on Altamount Road in South Mumbai. Complete with a royal bathroom and a theater with a seating capacity of 50, there are 9 speed elevators as well as a personal salon, spa, lovely terrace gardens, 3 helipads, an air traffic control tower. Oh, and a snow room. Yes, the room does sprinkle snow from the walls, because only that was left. Next on the list is the Jatia House. While cows are revered in India, we would submit to this sprawling estate. The Jatia House is one of the most coveted residential addresses in South Mumbai. Having been purchased by Kumar Mangalam Birla, the chairman of the $41 billion Aditya Birla Group, for 425 crore rupees, which is $57 million in 1972. The home is spread over 30,000 square feet in the Malabar Hill area and is surrounded by lush landscaping, including a central courtyard. It even has a pond. Completely renovated in 1987, the home features plenty of guest rooms, including 20 bedrooms made from teak wood from Burma. According to reports, the Jatia has hosted some fairly famous parties here, with over 600 guests in the so-called bungalow. Next on the list is Ratan Tata's house. The Singhania family owns the Raymond Group, a major supplier of textiles and suit fabrics, so naturally they have a fabric museum in their home filled with industry memorabilia. I'm sure if I had a fraction of Ratan Tata's money, I'd be retired by now as well. But who am I kidding? I could never afford this filthy rich bachelor's retirement home in Colaba where he lives with his dogs and supercars. The bachelor pad's value is estimated to be in the neighborhood of $20 million. The 13,350 square foot property includes his gym, an entertainment room, and a massive basement for some of his luxury automobiles, which can hold between 10 and 12 depending on which one he wants to showcase that week. The establishment is 7 stories tall, with the top floor featuring a sun deck that comfortably sits 50 people and other magnificent views of the Arabians. Next up is the politician and industrialist Naveen Jindal's bungalow property in New Delhi. Leafy Lutyens Bungalow Zone, which is one of the most expensive and well-known properties in the area. It's reported to be worth over $16 million. I had a different definition of bungalow, but what it lacks on an upper floor, it makes up for in acreage. The sprawling estate is over 3 acres and is an architectural masterpiece. Next is Amitabh Bachchan's house. The home of Amitabh Bachchan is located adjacent to Juhu's JW Marriott in Mumbai. Amitabh Bachchan is an Indian film actor, film producer, television host, and former politician. He's best known for his work in Hindi cinema. He's one of the most influential actors in the history of Indian cinema and is frequently referred to as a one-man industry. Jalsa, the name of Amitabh's house, is a 2-story structure with a total floor area of over 10,000 square feet. This residence is another gift from renowned director Ramesh N.C. Sippy. The residence is surrounded by an exquisite garden, mirrored shelves, expansive windows, glass chandeliers, plush rugs, and magnificent artwork including Baroque masterpieces. And finally, Gulita, Isha Ambani Anand Piramal's house. This diamond-themed mansion in Mumbai is priced at a reasonable $61.2 million. After Isha Ambani, the daughter of the wealthiest man in the world, Mukesh Ambani, got married to Anand Piramal in an extravagant week-long ceremony where the couple moved to their new home, Gulita. Gulita is the name of their beachfront abode in the Worli area. Facing the Arabian Sea, the swanky mansion also offers a clear view of the Bandra-Worli Sea Link. It has a lovely interior with a garden, a swimming pool, a diamond room, and a temple room. Eckersley O'Callaghan, a London-based engineering firm, was involved in the project as the palatial property underwent extensive remodeling and renovations, which included a reconstruction of the 3 glazed steel, 11-meter-tall palm trees structured using 3D models. As they say in Mumbai, India is currently one of the world's fastest growing economies. With that said, we conclude today's video. If you find this video interesting, do not forget to subscribe to our channel, click on the notification bell, and let us know in the comment box your opinion and add on. Till next time, goodbye.